for Dexter, B and AI. I will double check it right now. B and AI. B and AI. Yeah. Jumping 3%, so it's not the jump already happened last week. So it's not the current unicorn yet. Current support is the 47, resistance 75. We have 96 and 146 as a target, but it's not for me for today. We got another request to stock from our members. I think, yeah, Emoji Trader asked me about display. CEG, again, is not a unicorn, but have to break the current target here. Yeah, it is. The chart is not that good for me to play this one. Major seller just came here. We have a huge flush around the $3.63. Now it's correcting from the 278. Again, this one is not a unicorn, but it's pulled back. We need to hold the 278, otherwise I will wait for another dip around 230. So let us go back to the main unicorn. We got, as we said, SOGB started to have a little bit of correction here. I will wait for the breakout around the 184 to give us a squeeze toward the $2. We got KNW the same, $3 the support, resistance just below the 5. KLTO target to break now is around the 65, and after that the 88. Those the main unicorn, guys. 3 unicorn. Let us double check if we got something else. Yeah, I'm gonna put ELAB here, guys. It look really good. So we got 4 stocks. ELAB to reverse on the bottom, SOGB to reverse as well, and KNW and KLTO. Those the top unicorn. KLTO is the strongest right now, 200%, and it is about to squeeze once more over the 65. We have a target around the 88 now. How everybody doing, guys? Hit the like button on the way in, don't forget. Okay, so good morning, Lazzy DT Rex. Good morning, Jason LG. Shout out to Dr. Beater. Ask about GameStop. Amis, good morning. Go by. Got a great question about the trade deal today. We might have mixed signals. Even if we have good news, we might have a bit of pullback. Usually the news have mixed feelings, so the safest bet is going down than going up, because going up needs really strong news. So we might have mixed feeling for the market going down than going up after the trade deal news today. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, BTC or Bitcoin doing fantastic, guys. ABS, assalamu alaikum, my brother. Dexter, what you mean about A plus? Yeah, KLTO, guys, is not available on our broker in Europe, even though it's the strongest. Right now, breaking out from the 64. Unfortunately, guys, this one is not available in Europe. Unfortunately is not available. So we just watching it for the people who live in the United States. KNW is still slow. We got SOGB need to break the 184 to squeeze ELAB the $2.90. The rest is light on volume, like NVTS. I'm gonna take it from the list here. W buy from the last week is a bit weak. OMH is a bit weak, but look good technically. NBIS the same. The market is have mixed signal. GameStop, as we discussed, guys, the 31, it is the target to break. We need to break the 31 to squeeze up. If we didn't, it mean we're gonna have a struggle to go up. Yeah, this is the target. Zena looking all right now. We might have a breakout here. Gonna take this out. So Zena, I'm gonna take it on the main list because look really good. So those the main stocks, guys, that we could keep it on the list. The only one that we don't have is KLTO, yes. Unfortunately, the only one we don't have. Rex, do you have a swing trade in your paid group? Of course. Let me just give you an example, man. We did many swing trade. We did for APGO. We did for APLD, of course, before this breakout and the price overcome this resistance. We said profit taken as well. We did for FERG before the earnings and did 27% after that. We did for Nvidia. We did for APLD again before even going toward the 11. We said the support is the $6.36. We went toward the 8, 9, 11. We did many updates, guys. So it's not just one, but many stocks we do. CRDO, the same. Before the earnings, price was around 62. Right now is hovering around the 80. We did for Cisco before the earnings. We did a lot, guys. So yeah, hopefully this answer your question, my brother. Okay, let me just put the link to our Hunter channel and our paid community on Discord and Patreon down below. This is the link to our Patreon. If you don't know, guys, you have to have access to our Patreon in order to have access to our Discord, because Discord is included in our Patreon, so you don't have to pay twice. If you join our Patreon, Discord will be included. So if you are one of our member on Patreon and you don't have access to Discord, please send me a message on Patreon to send you an invite link over there. You are welcome, Rex. What else? Yeah, some of you said Bitcoin doing all right. Yes, exactly, man. Bitcoin doing fantastic, guys. It's going toward the all-time high around the 111. 111. The bounce happened here. We have a big buyer around the 100K and we reverse. And this is made Coinbase right doing crazy good and still jumping right now. Last week 9%, now 4% for Riot and Mara. Both of them looking great. Coinbase is still near the base. We have less action. Coinbase going slower than the others. SMCI need to break a current resistance, guys, for today around the 42. It could be good to watch SMCI for today because we expect a volatility once the market opens. Good morning, everybody. Remember, guys, as a disclaimer, everything we do here is, of course, is just content for educational purpose only. I don't provide financial advice, and nothing shown here is a guarantee of profit or investment result. Trading involves risk. Always do your own due diligence before making financial decisions. So let's get right to it. We've got a nice day for today. SMCI, as we saw, is about to break. Nvidia doing great near the breakout zone. Tesla is still pulling back. So the worst performer right now on the list is Tesla. The rest looking great. Who do we have a huge pullback? It could be a good opportunity to buy the dip, which is just right, not yeah, right there around the 67. We have another dip. It might happen for Hood because it's kind of overextended around 51. Okay, 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left at the market open. Let us bring our disclaimer here and check. Let's see. Yes, I think I have to write a disclaimer, guys, because last time I got a flood of spam and people just talking about our channel that we are uh, giving us financial advice or whatever. And YouTube didn't even check our our video. I think is the AI is a bit overrated or a bit stupid to know. So I think the best way is to put a picture of disclaimer because the AI will never miss this. Would be easier. Anyway, so guys, 3 minutes left on the market open. So again, disclaimer again. I think I'm gonna put the disclaimer so many times, so the AI of YouTube will never miss this anymore. Anyway, so guys, as we said, the content here is just for educational purpose. I don't provide financial advice, everybody, and nothing shown here is guarantee for profit or investment result. Trading involves risk. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line or making any financial advice. So let's get right to it, guys. The market looking interesting. We have just 2 minutes. Remember to hit the like and subscribe and put the notification on because we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open and 2 hours before the market open on our Discord and Patreon. We got a request to start again. Did I miss ELAB levels on the live? Yes, you did, Jason, because we discussed it together and we put it first as well. We said ELAB resistant 293, profit is around the 340, 390 support. We might test at the market open if we dipped around the 240. If we held, we're gonna reverse. If we reverse, make sure to take profit around the 260 and 290. Let's get right to it, guys. We've got a nice day. Today is the first day of this week. Monday, guys. Monday, Monday, Monday. A lot of people hate Mondays because it's after weekend and after rest. For us, we wait for Monday because we are hunters. Hunters like to hunt, not sleep. If you're hating Mondays, is mean you have to change what you do. For us, we found what we like to do, which is hunting. Our ancestors is hunter and gatherers. This is the reason human are alive, and of course, the reason that we all here. We came from hunters. This is the basic life. Go hunting or get hunted. Simple. This is the simple life story, guys. Don't make it complex. Carlo, of course, you can text me directly, man. You can text me directly and even ask about levels like you see here. Jason just asked me about ELAB and I just respond to his question right now. Yeah, I understand, Jason. No problem, man. No problem. So yeah, this is reply on question, brother. In Discord, you can ask me directly about charts and levels, as you can see here on our Discord, and reply directly. And of course, uh, our hunters put their gains here on our hunter games. So everything is there, guys, transparent. Everything is front of you. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is about to open in few seconds. Yeah, right now. Right now, right now. Okay, SOGB pulling back, ELA pulling back, KNW is pulling back as well. KLTO is pushing back up. Let us see. SMCI, SMCI jumping up like a lunatic on drug. SMCI jumping up like a lunatic. Let's get right to it, guys. We got huge day. SMCI is jumping nicely, Nvidia jumping nicely, Tesla pulling back. Okay, we have mixed signals here. We might have mixed signals for SMCI as well. This is the first minute, so we don't have a confirmation for breakout yet. This is just a test. If we held, would be great. If we didn't, we should watch for a pullback. The pullback we should watch for is the 41.36, because if we pull back, we might have a huge one. Yeah, 2% pullback maybe. Okay, SMCI is still trying, guys. SMCI is still trying to hold. Let's see if we hold here the 42, 42. If we did, would be great to have a really good jump for SMCI. Hood is 4% and reversing. Palantir pulling back. Today is strange because we got the mixed signals. Some stocks jumping, some stocks is pulling back, especially for Nvidia right now. Or SMCI. Yeah, Nvidia doing all right, guys. Nvidia doing pretty good for today. Yeah, Nvidia doing all right here. For Nvidia, we got a bit of support here over the 141. We got a little breakout here. If we held the 141.59, could be good for the 148. SMCI is pulling back, guys. At the 5-minute chart, there is a huge pullback now around the 42.42. So technically, we didn't break yet. Yeah, the strongest one for today is Nvidia. The rest is pulling back. I think Nvidia, because we got major news for Nvidia, that's why jumping up pretty good. Let us go back here. SOGB trying to break out, guys. Testing the resistance, the 184. ELAB, the same, try to break out the 290. KNW is pulling back and reversing from the resist support, the $3. KLTO, I think this is it. Tested the 86, the current resistance. ASTS, we have a nice jump, but it didn't continue. IN, I'm going to take it from the list, is not for today. NA is a bit light on volume, even though we have a breakout. Zena doing all right, guys, is breaking out with light volume right now. Around the $5, we got a major seller around the $5. Okay, SOGB trying to break. We got a test, SOGB. It is on the turning point right now. If we go here, we see that Nvidia trying for a new high. SMCI got a fake out around the 42.42. The warning sign if we broke the 41.31 for SMCI. Tesla is pulling back. APLD pulling back a bit. Hood, we have a huge pullback, 7%. It was overextended, that's why it's pulling back. So be careful, guys. We might have a trap for the market. We might have a little trap. Let us see. We got KNW, SNPX. SNPX, come to scan. SNPX, everybody. Could be good as well. Yes, jumping, but I don't like the technical for it. ELAB is pulling back just from the resistance. SOGB pulling back. KNW is holding the support, which is the $3. Plug UPXI CRCL. Let's check plug and CRCL. Already checked it. New IPO UPXI recurring unicorn. Let us check those three. CRCL, we already discussed this one early on our Discord. One of our elite member asked us about CRCL. Yes, I think here. Yeah, we discussed it here. We said the 126.53 is the breakout. We almost hit the profit taken around the 140. We went until the 138. It was great breakout here. CRCL, new IPO, is crazy. UPXI, not good for the technical. And plug 4% is going toward the $1 psychological level. Yeah, we already hit this level before. Yeah, $1. Now it's going toward the $1.15 and maybe the $1.29. Yes. Interesting, interesting situation here. We got a situation. Perfection. ELAB. SOGB, nothing. KNW, looking all right. Let us check. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a pullback for the market, guys. I don't like what's going on, even with Nvidia. Huge pushback up, then now it's pulling back. Yeah, now we got huge wick. SMCI pulling back, Nvidia pulling back, Tesla, who the MVST coin, right, pulling back a lot, right below the resistance. Okay, so we got a pullback for the market, guys. A pullback even for Nvidia. If we broke Nvidia here, the 141 is mean we're gonna have a huge pullback. The same for SMCI. A rejection for SMCI for the 42.42. KWM. KWM is 27 something. KWM and TLRY. It's been a while last time we discussed TLRY. Let us check TLRY. Nothing much happening. KWM, nothing much happening as well. Okay. Perfection. Anyway, so KWM, I don't like the technical that much, man. We have a major resistance around the 492. We need to break this level. And the current support, just in case if you wondering, 3.17, but I don't like it. For plug, yeah, it is doing all right, but light and action, man. It's testing a major resistance right now around the 1.03. So plug could be a good to watch for today. We don't have a breakout for those three stocks. We have a pullback for CRCL, guys, the main event for today. We got a little support to hold. The first one is around the 124. Okay, for Nvidia, we got a resistance here, 143.74. Interesting level to watch for. SMCI, big buyer for SMCI, retesting the resistance, the 42.42. Okay, let us just put alert for Nvidia if it just broke this level. SMCI trying to break the 42 again. Zena just go toward the profit taken from the 5 until the almost the 6. What a nice jump for this unicorn. Yeah, now I think we hit a target resistance. Gonna adjust the support just there. Nice. We got Xena guys looking all right to go again. As long as we hold the current support, the 485, we got OMH not ready. NBIS is a light action here, but yeah, still holding the 48. ASTS is breaking out in the big picture, looking fantastic toward the 36. KLTO already hit the 85, which is the major resistance below the $1. CRCL is pulling back, but this the strongest IPO for this month, guys. Xena just hit the resistance currently around yeah, it's pulling back now. Plug, it could be good for today, but light on volume. KNW, it need to break the 5 to squeeze but now there is no buyers. This one need to break the 185 to squeeze as well toward the $2. The bottom is the 157. We got ELAB doing fantastically good right now because it is breaking out. ELAB guys looking great. ELAB looking great, guys. ELAB looking all right. We got another level to test now around the $3.50. Current support, it is around the 260. We got the $3.90 and maybe around the 470. So yeah, ELAB is moving. The rest is just sleeping. Going back here, we got SMCI tried to break. We got this one as well. Nvidia tried to have a new high as well. Yeah, SMCI, if we broke the 42 this time, it could be good for today to have a huge green day. We need to hold over it though, because right now we still don't have a decision. If we go on the trade halt, we got SAFX got halted twice, and Nova. What's this? SAFX. And the other one, we got Nova. SAFX. Yeah, we got a big pump for it. Big pump, but too risky to play light on volume. And Nova is, yeah, it goes slowly, so it's not that good. So the stock that got halted, so they're not good for me to trade them. I don't like the chart for them. KNW broke the support, so we might have a dip now toward give or take the 259 first. Did we check TLY? I think we already did. Yeah, we said it's dead. After the bad earnings last April is really not good to watch. For the reversal, I will wait at least to break the 57, because if we don't break the 57, it's mean game over. It's not worth watching below the 57. Plug is moving. I will check plug. Yes, sir. It's moving slowly. Slowly. Yeah, plug. We got the turning point for plug here. Since May until now, we did 50%. Currently around the 105. It could go toward the 113 and 130. Yes, plug looking strong for now. But the slippage is really big, guys. The, this is crazy. The slippage is way, way wide. At least on my broker, it's like almost 5%. CRW, C, CRWV. No good. No good. Okay, so let's go back to ELAB. Yeah, ELAB pulling back, guys. Guys and girls is pulling back. No good for now. For ELAB, $3.10. It is the current level to break. Be careful, CRCL. It might have a flush if we broke the 123. Yeah, plug is going, guys, but going on slow motion action. SMCI, yes, we got a big seller right now for SMCI around the 42. We need to break it. SMCI is still trying. Nvidia is on the right track as well. What else we got? Dell 117 turning point for the dawn and big. Yeah, good. LJ, good that you mentioned Dell, because we already discussed it before during the earnings, and it pulled back down a lot. Now started to reverse 115.50. Yes, it started to reverse. Wow, big time. Dell is started to reverse. Wow, yeah, we almost go on the right track. Dell, the current level that we have to break is the 127. Yeah, so we are on the right track. The 127 is the target to break. For now, we should watch for the 97.99 as a bottom support, and 127.15 is the resistance. 145 is the target. Let's see how much we can do from now if we jump 25% in total in the big picture. Interesting what's going on with SMCI. SMCI looking interesting here, guys. We might have the breakout that we're waiting for. Exactly, SMCI looking fantastic for a breakout. Yeah, it looked really good here. This is the last 5 minutes. SMCI, guys, looking great to go higher today toward at least the 43 and 44. Turning point, guys. We got 30-second here. Gonna put alert just in case for SMCI if we pull back, just right there. Let's see. So far, so good, guys, for SMCI. Nice. Not bad. Really not bad for SMCI. Okay, we got a bit of slow action for the unicorn, guys. Many stocks jumped already in a pre-market like this one, almost 70% SOGB, then pulled back before the market opened. We got ELAB, the same, push back in the pre-market, almost 70%, the same reaction, and pulled back. Now it's recorrecting. We got KNW, the same. We have a huge jump, then a pullback at the market open. Zena, the other hand, is not totally a unicorn, but yeah, did 26%. This one from the last week. We have a huge jump. Now it's pulling back a bit. CRCL, the same. We kind of broke the support, so we got another level to watch. This one is a big unicorn IBO, guys. Jumped from the 100 and now is 138. KLTO jumping really good from the 85 and now going over the $1. So KLTO, guys, is the only unicorn that's doing really good. Is going toward the 121 and maybe the $2. This one could be the one to watch after we finish our live streaming because it is on the really good trajectory. So KLTO is the only one that looks strong. We plug, of course, not to mention plug, guys, 11% is going toward the $1. Plug, it is plugging away. It's going on the right direction. Interesting. So, guys, this is it for now. We have to wrap up our live streaming. In the meantime, just watch out for KLTO, the strongest one. I think is jumping almost or over 400%. And I think we halted now for KLTO. Yes, halted exactly around 10 a.m. Eastern time. Perfect. Uh, This is the strongest stock for today, guys. KLTO. We're gonna discuss the levels later on our Discord for this special stock, the strongest one for today. ASTS looking strong in the big picture. It's getting near the 36. In smaller picture is a bit slow. SMCI guys doing all right. Have a new high around the 42.90. So far so good for SMCI to go higher for today. We might have a huge jump for SMCI. So I'm gonna do update for SMCI later on as well. Okay, we got a question. Can trade this anyone? Yeah, KLTO brother, unfortunately is not there, man. Dexter is not available. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna do a major update later on, so stay tuned for that on Discord and Patreon. Meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow at the same time, guys. 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching.